during terrorist war in 2007. First of all, what is migration? Migration is the movement of people from one place to another place or from one country to another country due to some reason like war, like pandemic, like threats, due to facilities for education, for jobs. रूल ऑफ माइग्रेशन इन अ सोसाइटी, माइग्रेशन का रूल एक सोसाइटी में क्या है? Migration play an important role in a society by advancing and modernizing a society. The people of the area who migrated. If we see in history, we find one thing that it was migration of the people who then modernizing the society. Late 15th century, like the moment of Columbus and that of Vasco da Gama. Migration of people, of Fata people, जो माइग्रेशन किया है पाटा पीपल ने, वो है in the same manner if we look to the migration of our people in the second half of first decade of 21st century, the operation against terrorism and tribal areas compelled the people to leave the places and move to safe places. FATA is abbreviation of Federal Administrative Tribal Areas. ये कंसिस्ट है 5 मिलियन पॉपुलेशन पे और 7 एजेंसीज हैं और 6 एफआरस हैं। इस पे एक कानून इम्प्लीमेंटेड हुआ है, एक ला 1901 में, उसको कहते हैं एफसीआर, फ्रंटियर क्राइम रेगुलेशन। ये एफसीआर जो है ना, ये कानून डायरेक्टली कनेक्टेड था